What's going on, guys? Yeah, it's been a minute since I've made a helicopter video. Been doing a lot of flying here lately, just hadn't been recording. But I'm back now and I'll be doing a lot of videos on helicopters along with RC trucks and cars. I was going to do one next on this Protos. I recently changed I made a few changes to it. Starting with the blades, I went from the Zeal 800s to the Edge 813s. Finally got a hold of a used X-Nova motor. It's a 460 kV. It's going to be on 14S. Changed out the 20 tooth pinion to a 19 tooth. And was going to do a flight on it to see how it flies, but I got an email here recently showing that the MSH USA store that provides all the parts for these helicopters is going out of business. And I've been searching around online. The only other place that sells some of the parts is A Main Hobbies, but they got a real limited supply of certain parts. So just kind of wondering, anybody out there that might know what is the future of the Protos as far as in the sales in the US, because if the parts are going to be hard to come by, this might be a helicopter that's up for sale. But for anybody that has any knowledge on that, hey, drop something in the comment section and let us know. Alright guys, I appreciate you watching.